Muslims perform Eid prayers with social distancing and along with masks. In Pakistan, Eid-ul-Azha will be celebrated tomorrow on Saturday with religious fervor. Trump proposes to postpone the schedule of US presidential election. UK banned house visit after a spike in coronavirus cases. At least 17 people have been killed in a car bomb blast in Afghanistan. The United States has expressed the hope that all parties in Yemen will continue to work towards a unified and stable country. Iran has rolled out negotiations with the United States over its ballistic missile and nuclear programs.